Import complete. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. So this is the screen which we want to reach every time when installing a WordPress theme. And my demo website is ready and it has all the elements, all the components that is required for launching the website. So I have two home pages and this is about a very specific WordPress theme that is called Elune, and it is a specific category theme for private menopause consultation and midlife wellness care, we can say. So midlife wellness is very important and it is always in discussion what we should do for our uh, senior or elderly people, and the menopause is another condition which is generally required a discussion, a medical consultation and all. So Elune is a thoughtfully designed WordPress theme created specifically for menopause consultation, women's wellness practitioners, health coaches, nutritionists, and holistic professional offering private consultation services. And I am happy to record this video because this is a very new theme. It has got only one sale as of now. This is newly launched on 8th April 2026 and it costs only $39. So in $39 you are going to get the quality checked by Envato, the future updates for this theme, 6-month support from the theme developer who are the Tans and their elite author at themeforest.net. So theme can be bought using the link given in the video description, but yes, I'll show you the inside of this website how you can proceed. So as you can see, I have two home pages ready and I can choose any of these layouts. The theme installation remained very smooth, so I don't wish to repeat the steps. It is very simple. You just need to buy the theme and upload as I used to show in other videos. Right, so there is a setup wizard as well. So I'll show you the setup wizard so that you may get an idea. Theme setup, maybe the screen. Yes. So this is the setup wizard. So in the first step, you have to install the plugins that gets installed in a click. You have to import demo content in the next step, and the third is launching the site for customizing the website, right? And when we talk about the pages that we got in the demo, so we have all the pages, internal pages, so that we may launch our website quickly. So published pages are 14, and here we can see the booking page, the home version 1 and 2, the initial consultation, sample page, testimonials and all. So it can be a complete website in minutes, like services pages we have, and we just need to update our content. And even if you are making the website for your client, it can be very easy. And booking appointment is you need to install additional plugin for appointment booking just in case. And you can follow the quick setup guide, like install Amelia plugin, and so it is very simple. Again, if you want to add the booking feature, so Amelia booking plugin is very popular, and again you can use this plugin for booking feature. So just in case if you need any support, we are here, and just a click away through the iCreate program, where you can connect with a mentor for your WordPress website to get answers on every queries here. So the onboarding is here. Onboarding is free here, and you can start here at get started form, right? So all is good, and I feel I can show you the other options what we have in this installation. The appearance section offers the demo import just in case if you are targeting separately. The theme setup is the same screen, and the customize options gives the basic option where you have to edit the things like site identity, the body background image, and the header image and all. And homepage setting is of course here. In the theme options, we have rest of the settings, like we want to change the logo and fav icon. It is very simple. General settings, the typography, header areas, the page title section, and the widget slides and all, right? And the services are the another thing where you can list all your services. All pages had been created using Elementor page builder, so you can edit the contents very easily. So it is simple and easy to use uh, and easy to customize setup. And similarly we have setup area. And if we talk about the plugins that had been provided with the installation, it is very simple again. Elementor is the page builder that has been used. Contact Form 7 as usual. Elune theme core brings the core features at the website. One click demo import is of course for single use of importing the demo content. Redux is the framework that has been used with the Elementor, which is a very good technical combination, and this plugin is not for you. So only we can say 5 plugins that is being used, and even 4. So one click demo import is single time use, right? And for editing the content, you can simply go to the respective page that you want to edit and hit edit with Elementor, and the Elementor page builder will give you all the access on the content editing. What you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image if you are changing the images, and almost same length of text content, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. Jump to the respective section either using the navigator or scroll down and click on the respective area that you want to edit. So simple, so easy, and you can launch your website without any developer support. And just in case if you need any support, as I said, you can write in the comment section or get a help from mentor. It is a good idea to get help in installation with a mentor. You just need to buy the theme through the video description link. You need to spend $39. You need to book a domain, you need hosting. So all can be done within $60-70, I believe, depending upon your selection. And all the elements, all the things that you need for your website can be available through the WP Themes website. All the links has been given in the video description. Whereas if you need the end-to-end website, you can ask a mentor to do so, and you can join the yours program, which is a 12-week transformation program to get digital success in every aspect. So it is all for you, and we can meet in the next video. If you are planning to make a specific category website, you can write a request, you can get in touch with us, and we will try to cover a specific theme or feature for your website. In this video, we discussed Elune, which is a private menopause consultation and midlife wellness WordPress theme. And in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for you. Thank you for watching. Keep building.